The more you know about Albuquerque, the harder it is to understand why he was on the streets with a gun when this killing happened.
This particular issue has its own background and history, but part of it is someone who probably should not have been on the streets at that moment with a gun.
That may be the understatement of the year. Court records show Sylvan Albuquerque's criminal charges date back to 2014. They include dealing drugs, shoplifting, domestic violence, and criminal trespassing, with many of those cases being dismissed. In 2020, Albuquerque was charged with armed robbery for robbing a speedway in Valencia County. Valencia County prosecutors offered him a plea deal, landing him on supervised probation with no jail time. Earlier this month, state police arrested Albuquerque at his southeast Albuquerque home, driving a stolen car with heroin in it. The Bernalillo County DA's office argues that arrest, a violation of the conditions of his probation, should have landed Albuquerque right back in jail to serve the rest of his 6-year sentence.
The stolen car case that came to us should have triggered a probation revocation process because he was already a convicted felon in a different district.
He was released on bond in that case. The Valencia County District Attorney's Office would not explain why they did not try to have his probation revoked. We asked the Valencia County District Attorney's Office why it agreed to a plea deal for that Speedway gas station robbery when Albuquerque had such an extensive criminal history. A spokesperson told News 13 that Albuquerque's criminal history did not include, quote, usable felony convictions that would have allowed the court to impose mandatory prison time. Albuquerque is in jail tonight. He has yet to appear before a judge on this latest charge of first-degree murder.